We're going to install batteries on a Bruno stair lift. It takes 2 of these 7 amp hour batteries. Take out the old batteries and wire them up in the exact same way. We'll start by putting on the positive. The terminal on this is just a little bit big, but the battery size is correct. There's always something. You can see this one's thinner, so we're going to have to file it down or get new batteries. When you're buying new batteries, make sure that you've got the smaller end if you don't want to file them down. With some filing, we've got them down to the correct size. Now we'll hook up the positive. Use the jumper wire to connect the positive to the negative on the other battery. Connect it in. The negative wire is all the way back here, so we have to push the batteries in and then connect the negative. Push the negative on. There's not a lot of wire in there. We'll connect up the bumper next. Slide the bumper in place. Tighten up the bolts. Top plate that hits the switch down here. Up those bolts. Make sure that the bumper plate still works.